Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a, what do you call this, honey?
You make it enough. You ever tell me I tell stew or something like that?
Yes, so it's ital stew, but it's vegetable for our vegetarian subscribers who love to eat pure vegetable.
Yes. Not eating subscribers. Here you go.
So we have cabbage, we have broccoli, carrot, green pepper, orange pepper, red pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, rice, plantains. Everything is in the pot. Oh, and carrot.
And carrot.
But before we dig in, guys, I want to let you see my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know I'm not even gonna say y'all love First Lady outfit today. You know, just a little rainy day today. First Lady had to switch it up, and give us some light.
That's alright.
You know what I'm saying? So nothing too popping today, but it's still my type. I like it. I like looking like this. But anyway, alright, First Lady.
So we're gonna dig in because we are hungry. Now, my husband loves meat. He loves chicken,
please.
steak, fish.
Yeah.
I mean, he loves vegetable too, but he needs some kind of meat. So this is kind of strange for him.
Yes.
Okay? But not for me. Let's dig in.
Yeah, I don't want to eat stuff, you know.
Follow me.
Money, go and eat money. So, family, how's your day? Nice, right?
This is so good. It's not pepper.
Not pepper?
No, sir.
Family, I'm getting right to it.
Oh, Lord.
I'm still pissed off. And I still don't have the appetite. But you know what? I have to do it. I see everybody in the comment below, Team Shanice, Team Shanice. She messed me up. Trust me.
If you guys didn't see the prank that I did on Richie, you missed out. It was really funny. Go check it out. And I'll link it somewhere in this video or in the description.
Yeah. So I'm mad at her. That's why I didn't know what she cooked today. Because she did it by herself. I lock up myself in the room.
You can lie.
I isolate myself from her today. But the food smells so good, never come out. But yeah, family, one thing with us, we don't like confrontation. You know what I'm saying?
Speak for yourself. No,
But yeah, no, seriously, sorry, too much, is that? We don't like that. But if issues come or problems come, you know, we have to deal with it. But I was trying to be calm as possible, but when First Lady get pissed off, oh, don't play with First Lady. That's just a little piece. So if we cool and we mess with y'all and y'all cross us, then First Lady gonna get angry and miserable. I don't like all that talking, man. If you can't call me or show give me, what you call that thing? Your GPS where you at? Ain't no sense of talking. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to be calm. I just didn't want to say certain stuff. You know what I'm saying? But
not me. I was letting it out.
I know you was letting it out. I came. I said, yes, we got good food for y'all yesterday. I said we're gonna tear it up. We're gonna enjoy it. I lost all my thoughts. I couldn't even function right. You know what time I finished eating my food yesterday? 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah. And right now, watch out. I still like right now. My vibe broken up. Every time now I have to watch and see if I prank me. You know. I don't like the pranking thing. You sure they get ready for prank? Yo, man, prank look at I'm pranking prank.
So when he pranked me with the fish bone, it was okay. But because I do the prank better than he did.
You did.
And that's why I'm gonna like it.
No, you catch me. I don't. Not while I'm eating.
So
Okay.
I'm gonna prank you.
Right, man, a vlog or something. But not when I'm eating.
But you can't tell me to prank you, my love.
Yo, listen, just trust me. You messed me up. I said, I'm like, yo, I'm confused. Like, what the hell going on?
You was very confused.
Yeah.
At one point,
Yes.
I saw him laughing. At one point, I saw him laughing, but he was confused laughing. You ever did it before? Like,
Yeah. Trying to play it off. Yeah, I'm trying to play it off like, damn, this really happening right now while we eating? You know what I'm saying?
all about while we eating.
While
You said he wasn't eating? You been fine?
It'd have been on. But now while we eating. But she got me, I ain't gonna lie. She really got me.
And the food was good too.
That food was nice, man.
Man.
Catch me good, man.
Thank you.
That was a good one.
Thank you.
But she don't want to start them pranking because here, I'll go hard.
Really?
Really? All right.
You think you can prank me?
All right. No, I have to on camera free, man. No, what y'all do?
Don't be afraid.
So how was your day?
Pepper, you know.
Have a night, man. I sneeze. Was good? I like that. So today is the last day of the $5 or less marathon,
Oh yes,
right?
I forgot about to say that. Thank you, honey.
Welcome. $5 less marathon. If you enjoyed it, let us know. We have a lot of cheap meals. You know what I'm saying? Balling on a budget.
You got it? You got it?
Cheap and clean.
Bossy broth?
With bossy brock. Yeah, and we ball and bread. It's a very nice meal. We gave you 4 delicious dishes. You know what I'm saying?
And even a veggie one.
And the veggie one. This one, I know my non-eaters gonna like this one.
But bossy broth, and to break it down to you in translation means you show off but you don't have no money.
We ain't got no money. We ain't got no money and we don't show off. But we just say that's a Jamaican thing. You tell them how to make it?
Oh yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. See, I'm all lost. See? I'm lost.
If you guys want to know how I made this, check out the link up here. It's very easy and very versatile. You don't have to use cabbage. We can just make this all with corn, string beans, carrot,
anything.
broccoli,
This tastes good though.
zucchini.
And you season it well good.
Season.
At least you gotta season well good for me because you know say I miss up on the meat part. Season well good, I ain't gonna lie.
I know the meat for you.
Here you go. How you know? Basically, she's gonna have to eat up this today.
Don't make me can't manage this man. But this is really good.
You're good.
And then what I do in the morning, that was
Let
good.
me try it again. You said keep my hand here till it's zoom. You can see it?
It's gonna focus. Yeah.
Good? Alright, see the cabbage?
And the broccoli is still nice and firm.
Yep.
In the morning, you get some hardo bread, and you toast the hardo bread. That's Jamaican bread. We call it hardo. And put some butter upon it, and you eat the cabbage with some tea. Man.
That's the real thing.
Yes.
But yeah. Yep, this is good, I ain't gonna lie.
It's very seasoned.
And this season. And trust me, I really don't eat cabbage.
Yeah, like when I make bullet beef,
Yeah.
no, he doesn't like bullet beef and cabbage.
I have my own thing. Look at the carrot and everything there.
You gotta have meat, that's the
Carrot.
problem.
I love my meat. You see, I have enough meat on you. But yeah. So I hope you're enjoying your day. Like always. I know you're eating too. We do the same thing as I said before. We all do the same thing.
We all eat.
We all eat. You know what I'm saying? So we all sharing. This is
I
good
can't
now.
believe though.
Wow.
That I catch you like that yesterday.
You messed me up. Yo, I bite me. I bite my tongue now. I wanted to say some shit, but I said, God damn, I don't want to say that. I said, damn, we recording too. And
then?
Oh my God. You know. Cause, let me tell you something. One thing, with first lady, I'm like, yo, why this phone going off like that? She never have a phone on. It be on, but it's on vibrate. And getting all them texts, I'm like, what the hell she getting all them texts? I'm shocked, like, and she pick it up on the camera, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I'm like, yo.
I'm just spilling rice.
Forget all that texting, man. Just call.
Yeah.
And we talk. You know what I'm saying?
Richie's quick to tell somebody, call me.
And
And
we talk.
he says it so calmly. Call me.
And we talk. Go.
And then when they get on the phone, it's
You can't hear nothing. I'm like I'm talking. Oh my God, you don't even know. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna go live. We was gonna go live and we just address it. No?
So what if the person had came live and was talking all that smack?
So all that's what they hear about what they never what they never gonna do and what they never gonna do. Translation.
What are you gonna do?
Translation. They hear some
blood, something.
everything. They hear the real Jamaican cursing. Yeah. That's right.
You know what? One thing about Jamaican people, when they curse you out, they dig deep enough.
But I said I don't contain myself. But only thing I was mad too, man, because I couldn't get to finish my food.
The hell?
The water leak. Your food drop out of your mouth leak. I couldn't finish my food, yo. That was the pissed off part. Because I was about to get into it, you know. I even had a story to tell you. I forgot all about it. I told you one already, yo.
And that story that we told, did you finish the story?
I didn't get to finish the story. I had the next story to tell them too. I lost all my track. I didn't even know what to say. I'm just shocked, like, damn.
I can tell Richie was pissed off, you know why? And he believed it, you know why I could tell? Because he was laughing but thinking, if that makes sense. He was like, and like,
You see some people on the phone like, yo, what the fuck going on? I'm trying to see what the hell going on over there. Then I said the person's name. Knowing that, you know, oh God.
Oh my gosh. That person was going in on us though.
In on us, I like, God damn.
But you gotta get used to it, right?
You gotta get used to it, but
But not like that now.
You gotta get used to it, but damn. In my head, I'm like, what the hell we did? Like, what? I'm trying to figure out everything, like.
But you know,
It's all good.
you don't have to do anything to somebody
I know.
for them not to like you. And that's fine. But let me tell you something. We're nice people, but if you come, make sure you come prepared.
I told him right. I told you in the beginning, if y'all come, you better come prepared. Yep. We don't mess with nobody. We stay in our own lane. So if you come in our lane and trouble us, you're gonna get by that pressure. You know what I'm saying? And they say pressure bust pipe. So we just do our thing. You know what I'm saying? Stick to ourselves and just do us. Don't bother nobody. Yep. But this is delicious.
Some people they're just ready. They just want problems. They don't want problems.
They just wait for you.
Yeah.
That's what got me. I'm like, yo. When you talking about, is they texting out the account, and then the way you was acting, I said, oh no, this shit, yo, it's something serious.
My acting was on point, right, guys?
You did good.
My son taught me very well. He's an actor in the family. Okay?
Yep.
I'm gonna put this all in my mouth.
Watch her yesterday, you put in her mouth, you know. Here she is, family. She put it all in her mouth. Be careful. But this is good.
Oh.
What?
I didn't tell them how much I spent.
Oh, damn.
The only thing I needed was cabbage and a broccoli. The cabbage was $2. The broccoli was $2.50. $4.50.
$4.50.
Everything else we had. Most people had carrot and green pepper and onions. That's all you really need. But of course we're extra, and we have all these stuff because we cook a lot.
We cook regular.
Yeah. And we're a regular cooker now. Regular, very regular.
We're regular cookers.
So, all you need is cabbage. And
Yo, I ain't cutting you.
No, it's okay, my love.
Back to the prank. Yo, and I was tired too when the person said, yo, you can't even cook. All you do is cook $5 meals. I said, this person really watching. I feel some type of way right now. As I'm eating right now, it just come back in my head. But oh, you can't even cook these are $5 meals. How can you afford this? I said, damn, this person really watching us.
Watching us.
But damn, that was a good prank. You know what I'm saying? I like that. Catch me off guard, Tom. Yeah, I'm gonna tell say and that's what say no. I'm just gonna let me put in my GPS, you know. I give her the address, you know. Yo. Well, that was good. She caught me real good. Yo, that was epic. I'm gonna catch her though. Don't worry.
You gonna catch me?
I know I'm gonna catch you. Don't worry. And when I catch you, they gonna know too, cause they gonna be in on it.
Really?
Yeah. Sorry.
So I can't trust you guys?
You eat up all that.
You gonna tell? Why I tell you about bossing me around?
Yo, never off that.
Mine?
Never off that.
Double because you're on camera. You get boxed up and kick up.
That's what you think.
Honey.
First, you eat good. You ate a lot today.
It's good.
That's really good, family. So all the person and subscribers that don't eat meat, try this one. This is delicious. I ain't gonna lie. It's so seasoned and nice.
Remember when we had the hurricane? And your father came over? And all his father did was make this.
Yep.
Just he brought the cabbage and everything, and he made that. And that was what, almost 12 years ago?
Yep.
And we still talk about it to this day.
Yep.
Simple, just cabbage, broccoli,
Yep.
all kind of cut up.
Anything. My father could put anything together. That's where I get it from.
That's where he gets it from.
Anything together.
Because just like the tuna, I asked myself,
That's what I'm saying. A lot of people wouldn't even decide to do that. I hear in the comment people say they would just do it with bread or whatever, make a salad or stuff like that. But to put that together, to cook it down like a meal, that's a meal.
and it was really
Yo,
good. It was really good.
That was so good. When I started eating, I said, damn, I'm gonna mess this food up. And I was gonna talk all kind of crap, you know. And then my vibe just went down, boom. Damn. But yeah, easy. So we gave you a marathon of 4 days. Cheap and clean. $5 or under. Mukbang meal. So let's see something, man. See what y'all got.
So good.
It is. That was delicious. I ain't gonna lie. For a person that eat cabbage, it's good. Don't forget, cheapest water bottle. Where is that, First Lady? Oh, it's in your mouth? It's in the description below where it's blank, or First Lady always say. Don't worry, it's coming. You know what I'm saying? This was good, First. I ain't gonna lie. You did good today. Now I feel better. I feel better now.
Excuse me. Alright guys, we're full.
You ate up all the food today, no?
Yep.
You know, so you gotta cook more vegetarian food.
But yeah, but you didn't yum it.
Yeah, no, so you can eat it. I can sit and watch. You put your side right this one, and then you put my meat over that side right here. My meat, your veggie stuff.
I'm gonna put pork and beef over there.
Family, one day when we get up there, I'm gonna surprise y'all. Don't worry, it's coming. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell somebody to know somebody. Yes, you. I'm talking about you sitting there watching us eating our food. You. And we gave y'all so. First day, do you think First Day?
This was delicious, guys. You have to try it. And we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.